There are cars, and then there are legends reborn. What you're looking at today is not just another luxury machine. This is the 2026 Bentley Speed Six, a breathtaking fusion of pre-war racing heritage and modern craftsmanship. A car that once dominated Le Mans nearly a century ago, now reimagined into something brutally elegant, raw, and absolutely timeless. From the very first glance, the front fascia commands attention with pure authority. The massive upright mesh grille sits proudly at the center, finished in deep gloss black with the iconic Bentley Flying B badge perched above it, a symbol of prestige that dates back to racing glory. Flanking the grille are circular LED headlamps, beautifully modernized yet unmistakably classic in shape. The inner LED rings give it a futuristic signature while maintaining that vintage Bentley soul. Below, the aggressive lower intake and subtle red accent line introduce a modern performance edge, hinting that this isn't just a showpiece. It's built to move. The wide stance, exposed wheels, and sculpted fenders give the car a muscular, almost mechanical feel, like a race car stripped to its essence. Moving to the side, the proportions are simply stunning. This is a long-nosed, short-tail roadster, exactly how a true performance Grand Tourer should be. The extended hood suggests immense power underneath, while the low-slung body keeps everything planted and aggressive. The black multi-spoke wheels with red brake accents add a modern motorsport vibe, perfectly contrasting the classic bodywork. You'll also notice the open cockpit design, reinforcing its racing DNA, minimal, raw, and driver-focused. And then there's that clean, uninterrupted body line, flowing from front to rear like a piece of automotive sculpture. No unnecessary clutter, just pure design discipline. At the rear, the Speed Six blends nostalgia with modern aggression beautifully. The design is smooth and rounded, echoing vintage Bentley race cars, but now enhanced with slim horizontal LED taillights that stretch across the body. The centerpiece, a bold Speed Six plate paired with the Bentley emblem, making it clear this is something truly special. Quad exhaust outlets sit low and wide, delivering a performance statement even when the car is standing still, and that rear-mounted storage with leather straps, a subtle nod to classic endurance racers where form always followed function. Step inside and things get even more interesting. From the POV driving shot, you can see a perfect blend of analog and digital worlds. The steering wheel carries the Bentley badge wrapped in premium leather while the driver grips it with gloves. Reinforcing the raw mechanical driving experience, the dashboard combines classic analog gauges, a modern infotainment display, polished metallic switches. It's not overly futuristic, and that's intentional. Bentley keeps the soul alive while integrating just enough modern tech to elevate usability. The full cabin view reveals diamond quilted leather seats, high gloss finishes, and ambient lighting, proving this car is just as luxurious as it is aggressive. Now, let's talk about what truly defines the Speed Six, performance. Historically, the original Speed 6 was powered by a 6.5-liter inline-six engine, producing around 200 horsepower, enough to dominate endurance racing in its era. The modern continuation models stay faithful to that formula, featuring a 6,597 cubic centimeter straight six engine delivering around 205 brake horsepower, paired with a 4-speed transmission. And while those numbers might not sound extreme today, this car isn't about raw horsepower, it's about experience, lightweight construction, mechanical feedback, and pure driver engagement. That's what made the Speed 6 legendary, and that philosophy remains untouched. Top speed? Around 115 miles per hour, but trust me, it feels far more intense than any modern supercar. Now here's the reality. You probably won't see one on the street anytime soon. Bentley is producing only 12 units of the Speed 6 continuation series, each handcrafted by Mulliner. That means this isn't just a car, it's a collector's artifact. Pricing hasn't been officially disclosed, but expected to sit well into the multi-million-dollar range, given its exclusivity and craftsmanship. The modern Speed 6 continuation builds began around 2023, with deliveries continuing into the mid-2020s as part of Bentley's Heritage Program. This 2026 interpretation represents the ultimate blend of classic racing DNA, bespoke craftsmanship, modern design reinterpretation. So what is the 2026 Bentley Speed 6, really? It's not trying to compete with supercars. It's not chasing numbers. It's a statement, a reminder that true automotive greatness isn't just about speed. It's about legacy, emotion, and craftsmanship. And honestly, cars like this don't just get driven, they get remembered.